If you're sick and tired of working, you can't bear the thought of working for years and years and years until you're retired and old, then start a YouTube channel. I haven't had a job for over 8 years now, and it's the best decision I've ever done. Today, I will share with you 3 reasons why it's a no-brainer to start a YouTube channel if you want freedom, fulfillment, and happiness. The first reason is because creating a YouTube channel actually gives you 3 types of passive income. So I actually make most of my money from old YouTube videos. They're working in the background. It's not the same as with Instagram or X or Pinterest, where the shelf life is really short per post. Videos I made 5+ years ago are still making me money. So here are the 3 passive income sources that YouTube provides you. One is ad revenue. So every time somebody watches your YouTube video and you've come to the point where you monetize, every view gives you money. Secondly, you can have affiliate income. So anytime you have a product that you recommend, put it in the description. Say if you want to buy this too, get it in the description, and then you get a commission for every product sold. Fourth, you can have a paid product. For example, an ebook, an online course, one-on-one coaching. And that way you keep making money through these 3 passive income sources. Especially if you pick a product that doesn't require your one-on-one energy, like one-on-one coaching, then it is completely passive. The second reason to start a YouTube channel if you have a job is because the 9 to 5 is not actually a safe path. I grew up thinking that the only safe path is for me to get a 9 to 5 job. We were taught about entrepreneurship in school, but we were taught that it was really risky, really expensive, and that only 99% of businesses succeed. But things have changed. When I went to school, there was no YouTubers. It barely costs any money. Like, all you need is your phone to film. And my guess is you already have a phone if you're watching this. During COVID, when people around me were losing their jobs, my business was thriving more than ever because everybody was at home watching their screens. And there will probably be events like this in the future. For example, AI taking over more jobs or power cuts, but people are always going to crave connection. And this is where you can come in as a YouTuber. Because it creates 3 separate passive income streams, you are much safer than an office job, I would argue, because that's just one. And all the power is in the hand of a boss. Third reason why you should start a YouTube channel if you have a job and you don't like your job is because you get to share the biggest passion in your life. Let's say that you are really nerdy about yoga. You can talk about yoga all day. You could be doing yoga classes online and you will have so much fun while also making money. My guess is your office job, your 9 to 5 job is not your actual passion. That's at least how it is for most people. And if it is your passion, then good job. You don't need this video. And if you're not sure exactly what your passion is, because you're so multi-passionate, then definitely check out my purpose guide, How to Find Your Purpose in 5 Simple Steps. I've put it in the description. And in there, I've also put a link to a free business clarity call, so you can learn how to turn this passion into a profitable business in only 10 weeks. There's a few business models that you can choose from when you're a YouTube creator. So I have put the best business models for spiritual people specifically in my next video, so definitely check that out and let me know, did this resonate? What do you do for your job now and what do you want to do in the future? Love you so much and see you in the next video.